Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to get paid to chat with Cloudworkers. So the first step is to go to cloudworkers.company. Then you're going to get redirected here. And as you can see, if you want, you can start applying right away. So you have to simply click on apply now, but we're going to get there soon. Now, if you want, you can simply change the language. So if you click on this button here, as you can see, this website is available in all of these languages. And basically, if you want, you can start working and speak in these languages. So if you want, you can take a look at this list. And if you see your language, you can select that. If not, you can simply choose English. Now, if you scroll down here, we can learn more about this and how this works. So as you can see, you can take a look at job benefits. So whether you wish to work from home or from the other side of the globe, choose when and where you want to work. All that is required is a computer, a stable internet connection, and competent language skills. So for this job, you'll have to speak very, very well. As you can see, they guarantee your regular income, long-term employment, and opportunities for professional growth and advancement. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the job description. So what we do and how you can work with us. So this is what they do basically and how you can work with them. As you can see, our chat moderators are engaged in text-based online chats in, on, or more online social community platforms. Their objective is to animate those communities, stimulate conversations, and thereby cultivate long-lasting relationships. Creating an engaging and imaginative experience for customers is key to the success of this enterprise. Our chat moderators entertain customers, build a rapport and lasting relationships with customers by making the customer feel good about themselves. Chat moderators working with Cloudworkers are provided with flexible, exciting and uncomplicated opportunities to utilize their language skills and earn a reliable monthly income as an independent freelance moderator with positions available either on part-time or full-time basis. Now, if you want, you can read more about this, and as you can see, we have a testimonials here, so if you want, you can check out this video. Now, if you scroll down, we can see what they expect from you and what we can expect from them. So they expect from us our own PC or laptop with a stable internet connection, which basically we all have, the possibility to work as a freelancer, openness to adult dialogues. So now, if you want, you can simply click more, and here you can see other requirements. So you can see competent spelling and grammar, the ability and willingness to work just 12 hours per week, to be at least 18 years old, an open-minded, relaxed approach, and a good sense of humor, and the capacity of being excited and stimulated by usual encounters. Now, what we can expect from them: fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis, flexible and independent planning of working hours, a long-term and mutually beneficial working relationship. Now, if you click on more, we can see more things that we can expect from them. So a reputable working environment, personally assigned point of contact who is regularly available for consultation and advice, regular training and performance feedback to aid your professional development, salary that is above average and performance oriented. Now, if you want, we can you can simply apply. So as you can see, you'll have to complete this form. So you'll have to enter your first and last name, and then basically you'll have to enter your email address right here. Then you'll have to enter the date of birth. So I'm gonna enter random details here, but here you'll have to enter your real details so they can contact you, and then you can start working with them. Here you'll have to enter your phone number. Here you'll have to enter your Skype name, but as you can see, these option they're not mandatory basically. Only this one here, as you can see with this symbol here. Now here, which chat language are you applying for? I usually go with the English native level, but if you want, you can use any of these. As I said you in the beginning of the video, that if you want, you can start and work in your own language if you want. But usually I go with English because there are more opportunities if you choose English. Now, here is very important, times available via telephone. So here you can enter when you are available. And here, do you have experience in chat moderation? Here you'll have to simply choose yes or no. And here, how did you hear about them? So here you can choose, you can simply choose Google if you want. And then here you'll have to tell them something about yourself and why they should hire you. And then simply click on submit application, and then basically you're gonna see something similar to this. As you can see, that they sent us a verification email, and the email looks something like this. And basically you have to simply click on this confirmation link, and then here, as you can see, they will review your application. And as you can see, we confirm that your application has been submitted successfully, and it is currently being processed by the requirement team. So you have to wait up to 24 hours to see if they accepted you or not. And if we go back here, we can see, as you can see, if you have more questions, you can check them out. As you can see, is there a notice period? Do you send the contracts by email? Will Cloudworkers send me letters? And many other questions that you can simply look after and see. Now, if you want, here you can see the testimonials, and basically that's all. Now, if you get accepted on Cloudworkers, you have to keep in mind that you'll have to send a lot of messages per hour. So I've seen on the internet a lot of people saying that they have to send 100 messages per hour, and basically you can make $10 to $15 per hour doing that, which is not really bad if you think about it, because you are working from home, and basically, as you can see, this is something similar to a part-time job. So in my opinion, it's very good. And if you get accepted, I really recommend you to continue with this job. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.